This chair is knocked down, which can help customers save CPM and shipping cost. Please follow this video to see how to install this chair. First, we will connect the side wooden part with rating seat. Second, we will connect the support wood at the bottom. Last, we will connect the back. After we finish all steps, we also need to double check it's strong enough to sit on it. For more knowledge, we have made all the list of accessories on the installation paper. It has mentioned the design of accessories with quantities. If you have more questions of how to install this chair, welcome to contact us.